If you want to use Live Translate for calls on Google Pixel 11, what you can do is, first of all, of course, you want to make sure that Live Translate is activated for calls. So you can go to the phone app and tap on these three lines in the upper left corner, and then you can go to Settings. Now over here in Settings, you can find Live Translate. You want to make sure that this option is enabled, and also you can turn on a Live Translate for phone calls over here. Besides that, you can choose the target language, so ideally your language that you want to use. And in here, by default, it is going to be probably the language that you have set up on your phone, unless it is not available in here. So I assume the default language is going to be English. And the second thing that you need to do is you want to add a language so that you can translate from that language. So over here, we can tap on Add a Language button. If you don't have any language added just yet, then you will find like a huge icon here, and then below that icon, you will find the same button. And then here we have the list of all available languages. Now, keep in mind that unfortunately, not every language is supported for calls. So for example, if I choose Polish, as you can see, supported features are messaging and live caption, and calling is not one of them. So here we have, let's say, Swedish, which actually supports phone calls, translation, and messaging. So I can use that. So generally speaking, you can only use, of course, those languages that, well, that include phone calls option, and then you want to tap on Add Language, and it's going to be downloaded, and then you should be able to use it. Now, in my case, if I have added German, so if I tap over here, I can see which options are supported. And so here we have phone calls, so it is going to work. And of course, I want to make sure that it is enabled. And once we have this set up, then once you are in a call, you can tap on Call Assist button. And then here you can find Live Translate. Over here, you can choose the language of the speaker of the call. So you can tap over here. And then whatever they say in their language is going to be translated into your language. So of course here we can see, so on the right side you will see whatever you say out loud, and on the left side you will see whatever they are saying, but it's going to be immediately translated. So if I say I'm going to actually mute the microphone over here so that it's not going to be detected by the feature. So if I say something here in German on my phone, then that I currently have the call here, then it should be translated. So if I say something like was ist dein Name? Then here it is now translated, what is your name? So you can see that it clearly works just fine. Sadly, only some languages support the call translations. So of course, in the future, this can be updated, this can be changed, and hopefully more languages are going to be supported. And that is pretty much it. Now, if you want to, you can just exit the translation by just using this arrow here on the left side in the upper left corner. And here we can stop Live Translate. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.